Yo, what it is, man? Thuggalo Marco, aka 777, sending love, light, and positivity to everyone who's watching this video now. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to meditate for beginners. Now, there actually is levels to meditation, but this video is for beginners only. So, what you're supposed to do is, when you drop down into this reality, you actually came here to meditate and connect with your higher self. When you are meditating, you are generating energy for your spirit in the fourth dimension. So basically, before you meditate, you need to ask yourself, what are you meditating for? Because if you don't set an intention, you ain't gonna be able to, it's gonna be harder for you to meditate because you're doing it with no purpose. Everything in life is you just setting an intention. So what I like to do is, before I meditate, I ask myself, or I'll tell myself, in this meditation, I would like to connect to my higher self and get some information about what's going on in my life. Or I'll say, in this meditation, I want to clear my mind and put myself in a positive state of being. I want to erase all bad thoughts from my mind. I want to only think positive thoughts. So those are things that I like to say. Now, depending on what's going on in your situation, you just got to ask yourself, what are you meditating for? You feel me? Because that's key. That's what's going to guide you through the meditation. Now, I will admit, meditation, it is actually kind of hard. It's not just some, what I'm saying? It's hard because it's all a mental thing. So for beginners, since you're a beginner watching this video, I say start off 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes if you're a beginner. So what you want to do is, man, the goal in meditation, you want to relax. You want to be as relaxed as possible. You feel me? You want to focus on your breath. And while you're focusing on your breath, you want to watch your thoughts, because you are not your thoughts. You are the observer. When you are meditating, that is who you are. You are the one watching your thoughts, because this body is just a vehicle for your spirit. Right now, this is me. That black void, that's the real you. And you're just watching all these negative thoughts flow. And basically, you want to say something bad happened to you. You want to watch your thoughts. And the more you watch your thoughts, they go away quicker, because you are not your thoughts. So now what you want to do is, you can either sit in a chair or crisscross applesauce. I like to sit in a chair because sometimes my legs be hurting. I have done meditations where I've done crisscross applesauce for 30 minutes straight, etc. So, get you a chair. And what you want to do is, close your eyes, take a deep breath, but hold your breath for 10 seconds. Like, breathe out. But when you breathe out, hold it for 5 seconds. So breathe in again, hold it for 10 seconds. Repeat it again. One more time. Now that you have done those 3 times consecutively, you will be put in a relaxed state of mind. You just slowed your heart rate down by doing that. So what you want to do is just sit still and just focus. Watch your thoughts. Just watch all the negative thoughts. If you have negative thoughts that's coming into your head, know that that is not you. If you see somebody going in your shit while you meditating, know that that's not you. Just watch and observe it. Feel it, but don't let your emotions or thoughts consume you. So, boom, you feel me? That's it. And you feel me? During your meditation, take deep breaths, man. You want to continuously do this because what you're doing is when you're breathing, you're rising your energy up. And when you rise your energy up, the energy is going to your brain. You feel me? And it's relaxing you. So anyway, quick video on how to meditate for beginners. I am going to drop a video about the benefits of meditation. A good ass video for y'all, you feel me? It's a lot of benefits, man. You feel me? Meditation is key. It's key to life. We came down here to meditate. Real shit. So anyways, quick video from me, man. I love y'all. Thuggalong Marco, I'm out. Peace.